In this video making a tie chain and a little about the Purple Heart, I'm Oliver Christensen. Welcome to Shaping Silver. Tie chains are like tie clips, used to fix your tie to your shirt so it stays where it's supposed to be. But unlike the tie clip, it's a loose hold, and the tie can move up and down as you sit or stand. They're made of a short piece of chain on a hanger, which you attach to a shirt button. The size of the hanger is given by the width of the tie, but about 6 centimeters is fine for a modern tie. My friend Mike uses a Purple Heart lapel pin as a tie pin, which ends up ruining his silk ties. So I told him, Mike, just because you're a brave guy and been wounded in the line of duty doesn't mean you have to kill all your ties. So I offered to make him a tie chain with a holder for the pin. Just in case you're wondering, the Purple Heart is awarded to wounded and killed in action while serving. Mike was the commander of a convoy of 3 vehicles on November 16, 2005. While on patrol in eastern Baghdad, his convoy was attacked. An explosively formed penetrator with deadly ID in Iraq disabled his vehicle. His team executed its battle drills, but while exiting the vehicle he fell to his face. He had been wounded, and looking down he saw a large amount of blood flowing from his pants leg and felt warm blood flowing down his face and stomach. He pulled himself up to the hood of the vehicle and started receiving small arms fire. While returning fire, he felt a thump to the back of his leg and fell to the ground again. A ricochet off the door had hit him, and the medic and 2 patrol members came to pull him away from the burning vehicle. As they moved towards the lead vehicle, a rocket-propelled grenade hit the Texas barriers behind them, sending them all to the ground. After a short exchange of gunfire, the enemy fire quickly ceased. Mike had lost a lot of blood and started losing consciousness. Another convoy had arrived and secured the area, and his team extracted him to the Green Zone medical facilities. For his service and for being wounded in action, he was awarded the Bronze Star and the Purple Heart. Mike is now an active part of the counter-ID community and does his part to protect the war fighters.